and encourage them to use these tools to track their packages and stay updated on delivery status. Provide clear and detailed delivery instructions. Providing clear and detailed delivery instructions can help ensure that packages are delivered to the correct address and in good condition. Make sure to communicate any special instructions or requirements to your carrier, as well as to your customers, to prevent delivery issues and delays. Use packaging materials that protect your products. Using packaging materials that protect your products during shipping and delivery is essential for preventing damage and ensuring that your customers receive their orders in good condition. Make sure to use high-quality packaging materials that are appropriate for the size, weight, and fragility of your products, and consider using additional padding or cushioning as needed. Provide estimated delivery dates. Providing estimated delivery dates can help customers plan and prepare for the arrival of their packages. Make sure to provide accurate and realistic delivery estimates, and communicate any potential delays or issues that may impact delivery times. Offer free shipping. Offering free shipping can be a powerful incentive for customers to make a purchase and can help increase sales and customer loyalty. Consider offering free shipping on orders over a certain dollar amount, or as a promotional offer during peak shopping seasons. Use shipping calculators. Shipping calculators can help customers estimate shipping costs and choose the most cost-effective shipping option for their needs. Make sure to use accurate shipping rates and provide clear and transparent information about shipping costs and options. Offer pickup and delivery options. Offering pickup and delivery options can provide greater flexibility and convenience for customers, as well as help reduce shipping and delivery issues. Consider offering in-store pickup or local delivery options for customers in your area, or partnering with third-party delivery services to expand your delivery capabilities. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is essential for building trust and loyalty with your customers, and for resolving any issues or concerns that may arise during the shipping and delivery process. Make sure to train your customer service team to handle shipping and delivery issues professionally and efficiently, and to prioritize customer satisfaction above all else. Use package inserts. Package inserts are small promotional materials, such as discount codes or product samples, that are included in shipped packages. Using package inserts can help increase customer loyalty and repeat purchases, as well as provide an opportunity to communicate important information about your brand and products. Use shipping labels with clear and accurate information. Using shipping labels with clear and accurate information can help ensure that packages are delivered to the correct address and in good condition. Make sure to include the recipient's name and address, as well as any special delivery instructions or requirements, and use high-quality labels that are easy to read and scan. Use delivery confirmation and signature requirements. Using delivery confirmation and signature requirements can help ensure that packages are delivered to the correct recipient and in good condition. Consider using these options for high-value or fragile items, or for orders that require extra security or verification. Implement a returns and exchanges policy. Implementing a returns and exchanges policy can help reassure customers and show them that you value their business. Make sure to have a clear and easy-to-understand policy in place, and communicate it clearly to your customers through your website and order confirmation emails. Use third-party logistics providers. Using third-party logistics providers, 3PLs, can help streamline your shipping and delivery processes and provide greater flexibility and scalability. Consider partnering with a reputable 3PL that has experience in your industry and can provide customized solutions to meet your specific needs. Offer order tracking and updates. Offering order tracking and updates can help keep customers informed and engaged throughout the shipping and delivery process.